CreditFixrr Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. If you're interested in CreditFixrr, links to official resources, pricing details, and service information have been added to the description so you can review what's included before signing up. CreditFixrr is a credit repair service designed for individuals who want professional assistance in improving their credit profile by disputing inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable negative items on their credit reports. Unlike software tools used by credit repair businesses, CreditFixrr is a consumer-focused service where specialists handle the credit repair process on behalf of the client. It is intended for people dealing with poor or damaged credit who want a guided, hands-off approach to potentially improving their credit standing. One of CreditFixrr's key features is its credit report analysis, where professionals review credit reports from major bureaus to identify negative items such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, inquiries, and reporting errors. Based on this analysis, a dispute strategy is created to challenge questionable or inaccurate entries. Another important feature is its dispute handling process, where the company sends formal dispute letters to credit bureaus and creditors on behalf of the client. The service typically includes progress tracking, so users can monitor updates and changes to their credit profile throughout the process. CreditFixrr may also provide credit monitoring tools and educational guidance to help users understand credit improvement strategies and maintain better financial habits over time. In terms of strengths, CreditFixrr stands out for offering a simplified, done-for-you credit repair experience. This is especially helpful for individuals who do not want to deal with the complexity of credit laws, dispute letters, or communication with credit bureaus. The service structure allows users to outsource the entire process to professionals, which can reduce stress and save time. It is also designed to be accessible for users with little to no credit repair knowledge, making it suitable for beginners. The inclusion of monitoring and updates helps clients stay informed about their progress without needing to manage the process themselves. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. As with all credit repair services, results are not guaranteed, since outcomes depend on the accuracy of credit report information and the response of credit bureaus and creditors. The service may also involve monthly fees or subscription costs that can add up over time. Additionally, the process can take several months, depending on the complexity of the credit issues involved. Some users may prefer a more hands-on approach or lower-cost DIY alternatives instead of paying for a managed service. Overall, CreditFixrr is best suited for individuals who want a simple, guided credit repair solution without handling disputes themselves. If your goal is to outsource the credit repair process to professionals and focus on improving your financial profile with minimal effort, CreditFixrr is a straightforward option in the credit repair market.